Hey all, it's Pulse with Pioneer. I'm going to show you how to update the firmware on a DJM-2000. So the first thing you're going to do is check and make sure which version you're running. And you press and hold the utility button, hit the version number, and it'll show you in the display. Mine is 1.27, that's the version we are updating to, but that's okay. I've done this a couple times just to make sure that we have the right information to give you guys. So to put your mixer into update mode, turn it off, press and hold both of the on-off buttons for the effects while pressing the power button, and you'll see a white screen, and on the screen it says DJM-2000 firmware update current version. So it reconfirms the version number, and like I said, mine's 1.27 because I've already updated. Please send the update file from your PC. So what you need to do is connect your computer from the port 1 or 2 on the back, and that's via the Ethernet cable directly to your computer. So of course the next thing you need to do is actually get the firmware if you haven't already done so, and that's at prodjnet.com/support. Go and download the OS X version because this is the OS X instruction video. Once you've done that, it's a zip file. You open that guy up. You'll have two files inside, the updater program itself and the manual, which is basically what you're watching in video form. So before you go and actually run that program though, I want you to go over to your system preferences and do two things. You're going to check in the security that your firewall is turned off, and if you normally have this on, that's fine. Turn it off for the purpose of the update. The next thing you're going to do is actually go into network and your airport, turn it off, and Ethernet, you're going to make sure that it is using DHCP and that it is a self-assigned IP, or either going to be self-assigned or it'll be assigned by the network. Green or yellow is what you're looking for. Now once you've got that established that you are connected, you're going to go and actually run the software. So it says select the language, English is fine, software download, okay, yada yada. Hit start, and what it'll do is say connected there, sending the firmware, and on the mixer it starts to receive the file. Now it says updating. Now, if you actually had a version to update, it would tell you here, version whatever number to 1.27, updating, and of course the progress meter would go from 0 to 100%, but mine already has the new version, so it says 100% automatically, confirmed that it had the correct version. And it just requests that you power cycle the mixer before using it, so of course you can do that, off, then back on. And while it's doing that, you go back in, hold the utility button, version number, verify indeed that it is the version we've updated to, and back up in your computer you can see it says finish sending the software, exit this download. Alright, so we're complete. Now you can go back into your settings here in the control panel and turn your airport back on. And that's it. Your mixer is now up to date with the latest version of firmware. Hope you guys enjoy it, and if you have any questions or troubles, you can hit us up in the Pioneer forums. I'm DJ Pulse.